Okay, level 6, compose a bass line for your riff and extend your composition to 8 bars. Okay, now I'm happy that my riff has some development there, so I'm going to copy and paste that. The drums are kind of the same each time, so I might want to add some fills to my drums. Oh, by the way, that's Control-C and Control-V to copy. You move the playhead to where you want to copy it, and it's just like using Word or whatever, just normal shortcuts. You can also right-click to copy as well. Okay, so I've got 8 bars there of music, and I need a bass line. So I need to add a track, a MIDI track, and this is going to be my bass line. So choose a bass instrument, and I might go for a synth bass because Afrobeats, we have a lot of electronic instruments, and I should have maybe picked one before I started the video. No. 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 Oh wow, none of these really. Okay, you know what that would do. Okay, so it's gone to a lower octave there. Okay, so again I might want to loop while I experiment. Now, because I used that C triad, those notes are within the pentatonic scale. Basically, what all that means is I can use any white notes and the bass line would work as long as I'm starting on C or starting on A. So I could, for example, start on A. Okay, so as long as we're starting on A or C, so A or C, start on A or C, and anything you do will kind of work. Okay, so I'm going to make a 4-bar bass line. You can make it a 2-bar bass line or an 8-bar. No, not 8-bar. 2 or 4 bars. I'm going to go for 4. Okay, double click and quantize. I feel like my first note's missing. First note's missing. Right, I'm going to do it again because that didn't record properly. I think what happened was this playhead wasn't right at the beginning, so make sure you click on this button before you record. Okay, let's go again. And I'm actually going to start on C this time as well. I think that sounded too sad. Didn't like that. Let's start again. That's why you should plan before you make videos, guys. Okay, sorry. I promised last time. There we go, that'll do. Double click. Select the notes. Quantize. There we go. Okay, copy, paste. So the drums, I don't want them to be the same, so I'm going to instead do a bit of copy and paste. Copy and paste, not just paste. Control-C, Control-V, Control-V, Control-V. Okay, so on this 4th one, I'm going to have some differences here. Okay, so at the moment it's just going... I'm going to add a bit of extra snare at the end. So, boom. I'm just going to add Maybe with it. Then I want a pencil. There we go. So now I've added a little bit of extra snare. So let's have a listen to that fourth bar. Okay, something didn't copy properly. Timing's a bit off there, isn't it? Let's have a look. Okay, we see this? That should be there. That should be there. Watch out for this, actually. Quite a lot of you guys have had this issue where we haven't copied and pasted properly. So you've literally done what I did. So what's happening is probably the end of the region isn't quite on the money. And that's what's leading to that. So these little things you need to watch out for to prevent errors. Okay, we have 8 bars. We have a drum fill there to make the bars different. We have a 4-bar bass part. We have a 4-bar main riff. Let's have a listen. You can also add hi-hats. Yeah, add hi-hats at some point. Cool.